Hey, it's Mike, and today we have day 8 of the Unity Asset Store flash sale. So let's get into it. First, we have this Fog Volume 3 for $16.50 from David Miranda. It is a volumetric fog asset, so that allows you to do different volumetric effects. Some cool effects that it seems like it has. Volumetric clouds, so you can do those nice scenes. And so there's a Moonlight demo. There's a bunch of tutorials in here too, so they've got a lot of good tutorials. And you can get some effects like this. So it's pretty good. This gets good reviews on the asset store too, so some nice looking effects you can get from this pack. $16.50. Next we have the Train Controller Ultimate Collection from WSM Games Studio. This one is really nice. It's their ultimate collection, so you get all these trains that it shows there. So it's a train controller. So you get these trains, you get cable cars, there's subways and trains as well. So and you get some train cars as well. It'll help you build a train simulator type game, or if you even need a subway and a city game or something like that, that will work for that as well. So this one is it includes these 7 different packages that they normally have separately. So looks like a pretty good value for that for that as well. So check it out if you need a railroad building system. This one looks really good. Next, we have iCadex's Simple Bicycle Physics for $15. They had the motocross physics yesterday. So this one's the bicycle version of that, and this one's pretty good too. You get quite a bit with this package as well. You get the models, you get the bikes. There's a downhill bike, audio effects, uh, riders, bikes, and liveries. There's ragdoll simulation, mountain bike, sports bike, BMX, tricycle, and penny farthing as well. So, and a scooter too. So a lot of bicycle related stuff, and you get the first person action cam. It's customizable IK. You can actually put your own custom characters on it as well, which is important. And it's mobile compatible. And there's a rider with detachable helmet in it and customizable clothing as well. So these are all the bikes that comes with it. And there's different paint jobs for them as well. And there's a new rider, detachable helmet and backpack as well. So if you're needing bikes in any game that you're building, take a look at this pack. Next, we have the 1950s New York City Environment Mega Pack. Modular with interiors and characters. So there's interiors and characters as well. $75 from Lee Arts, but normally it's $250. So this one looks really good. It's like 1950s New York City. And I mean, if you need a 1950s city, it has all I guess this map shows you what actually this includes. This whole area of these 2 areas of New York City from the 50s, and there's a bridge in between, looks like. So that's what they've modeled out. So that's how much of the city it is. So there's a couple of areas of New York City. So looks pretty good to get started with like a city game, even like a open world game that takes place in a city. It looks pretty good. And not only that, it also gives you, once you buy this, it says if you buy it, you get access to the 1970 New York City environment for free as well, which is their New York City alleyway one. So you get 2 for the price of one, basically, and that one sells for $79 normally anyway. So you also get vehicles, cars, limo, F1 car, pickup, 2 bikes, one motorbike, one tram. You get benches, billboards, building parts, 5 characters in the pack as well. And they have interiors, I believe, as well. There's some interior areas as well. So take a look at this. It looks really good. So next we have the abandoned factory buildings day-night scene from Scans Factory for $13.50. It's an abandoned factory environment. There seem to be quite a few of these on the asset store, so you may or may not need one, but if you need an abandoned factory, this one looks pretty good. And the price is pretty good too. It's all modular. You get a lot of buildings in it. So take a look at this. Next, we have fully animated cats. So this is a cat character. If you want to do a cat game, they have walk, trot, and run animations, turn in place, crouching animations. They have eat, drink, digging, shaking, licking, pet, sharpening claws, drop items, rest, actions, idle animations, and they have swimming animations too. And there's all the cats you get with this pack. And this is how it looks in URP as well. So it supports URP and HDRP, but not built in. So be aware of that. And you will need the animal controller for this, or a controller. It does not come with an animation controller. It just comes with the animations and the models. But you have to either make a controller, or I would recommend using Malber's animal controller with this. So it's pretty good if you have the animal controller. So yeah, it's not compatible with built-in though, so be aware of that. So next we have the Horror Mansion from Art Equilibrium. So it's another horror environment. This one is compatible with all 3 pipelines. So the Art Equilibrium usually has some pretty good looking assets too. So it's like a horror mansion with various props and settings in it. So looks pretty good for a horror game, possibly. And finally, we have Gaia 2023 Terrain and Scene Generator. This is the latest version of it. So it's Gaia 2023. It works with all all render pipelines. So you can do terrain generation with it. This is not the Gaia Pro 2023. Be aware of that though. If you think that you're getting anything that comes in Gaia Pro, this is not the Pro version. This is the regular version. So if you need anything that comes in the Pro version, like the streaming support, that's Gaia Pro. That's not in this. So this one does not have the additional stamping, erosion, and masking operations, does not have the low poly style and imposter conversion, does not have all these different things, biome based stamping, does not have terrain stitching, weather system, multiple skies, and so there's a list of things it does not have, but it does have like the main like Gaia features. So it could be good as long as you don't need any of the pro features. So check it out. So that is day 8, and tomorrow we'll be back for day 9. So like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.